Sort any of the columns to filter results. Easily find products with the search function, and then update the cost price of products using the quick edit feature. To create new products, click on the Add New Product button. Then simply fill in the product details: supplier name, type of product, the name, any type of description you want to help describe the product, the total cost, the size it comes in. You can edit existing products by simply clicking on the product name in the table. Then edit any of the details of the product. You can change anything from the description, price, unit, or size. You can change the yield by just typing in a new percentage, and that'll change the unit cost. To import your own product price list, follow the instructions in the Excel file and then import it as a CSV.